Na ye to so ewo ensem krono mu na ye komra se bedwafia empegyefo ate abedwakuo ye a wo mo eye ehwehwemu de fa IGP eni tepu bia elikiye na enipa bi bo ne ho poso mo be na fi ho adansefo empegyefo to nsafre wo mo no wo mo nyoma wie nanso bibie si ekira wo mo tumi esan efre wo mo biem
Samu adwemtenani a woda Ad-hoc Committee no ano ya wo nukure ye san so ye eboakwa north emra hyebedwani Samuel Atachia editu dwa wa abra adansefo no ekopia bedwafo nanim e wa abra wa mansem trofo anko honom sesei wonom asisudua se COP George Mensa age adanse afoforo kra atomu ewo committee no ase Atachia ekire ne enti a wonom amakwan se adansefo ni nyina ebetumi akọ.
I was the self-same Atachia who afforded the IGP the opportunity to come and put his case across. That was good, was it not? So why do you now turn around that I'm trying to be biased? When somebody tells you that, look, this tape that you brought, the first one, I think certain things are not on it, but there's a full comprehensive tape. Imputing that the first tape is doctored. Then Chief Rugi Nabu brings one, which he owns up that is a comprehensive tape. Why would you say by putting it across that they are imputing the credibility of the first tape? That will make me somebody who has a motive. And I want to say to the information of the general public, what is my motive? To become the next IGP? What was it that the Speaker saw in me, an MPP member of Parliament, to chair a committee of this nature?
Said IGP